In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a Google Docs file as a PDF. Whether you're sending a document to someone, submitting an assignment, or you simply want a clean, share-ready version of your work, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Doc and make sure the document you want to save is fully loaded. Once you're there, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Inside the File menu, you'll see several options, but the one we need is Download. This is where all the export formats are listed. Next, hover your cursor over Download and a side menu will appear. From here, click on PDF Document, PDF. The moment you select it, Google Docs will automatically start converting your file into a PDF. After a second or two, your browser will download the file, and you'll see it either at the bottom of your screen or inside your Downloads folder, depending on your browser settings. This is the fastest and most reliable way to generate a clean PDF from your document. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your document formatting is correct before downloading, double-check page breaks, and ensure all images or tables are aligned properly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent layout issues in the final PDF. Once you've downloaded the file, open it to confirm everything looks the way you want. After that, you should be able to share, print, or upload your PDF without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to rename the file clearly so you can find it easily later. Taking this extra step keeps your documents organized and avoids confusion when managing multiple files. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to save your Google Docs files as PDFs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same thing. Why not make someone's day easier?